Okay, so we're working on an experiment where we're going to charge, we're going to have two capacitor banks, and we're going to charge up one capacitor bank while the other is discharging into a supercapacitor, and we're going to see if the handcrank generator performance is improved or not. Anyways, but it'll give us experience using the microcontroller. This particular one is a Arduino Uno, and currently we're trying to get the software to configure. We're using YouTube to go through the process. This is the first time I've really used an Arduino, so we'll report results when available. Right now it says, what does it say? Installing device, so it's like loading files or something. Down here we have the the Arduino IDE installed. If I can get it there. Let's see here. Oh, okay. Nope. And there's a bunch of interesting features here. They have a bunch of example code. If I can find it. Let's see here. Somewhere. Yeah, examples. So there's numerous code examples that can be easily altered. And they got their bases pretty well covered. This is all open source. They have a, from what I've seen, a pretty active online community. And so if we run into any problems, it looks like the thing's froze up at this point. I'm not sure what's going on, but we'll let it run its course for however long it takes, and then start over. Push the reset button. We're not sure if that actually does anything or not, or has any effect on the other software. But this is as far as we got at this point. So, report results, updates when available. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the day. Cheers.